In the early 2000s, three Danish developers set out to create a game called GooBall. While developing it, they built their own tools to make game development easier. The tools became more impressive than the game itself, attracting the attention of other developers. So the team shifted their focus from making games to creating an engine that would help others make them. In 2005, they released the first version of Unity. GooBall was eventually forgotten, but the technology created to build it became one of the most influential game engines in the world, powering games like Among Us, Hollow Knight, Pokémon GO, and Genshin Impact. After Unity's creators realized their tools had more potential than the game they were making, they released Unity 1.0 in 2005 with a simple goal: make game development easier for small teams. Unity 2 arrived in 2007 with better graphics and wider platform support. Then, Unity 3 in 2010 became a major turning point, adding Android support just as mobile gaming was exploding. Developers could build a game once and release it across multiple platforms. Unity 4, released in 2012, improved animation and graphics, while Unity 5, in 2015, introduced advanced lighting and physically based rendering, making games look more realistic. From Unity 2017 onwards, the engine expanded into VR, AR, improved 2D development, and advanced rendering. Unity had grown from an indie-focused engine into a platform used by developers around the world, and the games prove its versatility. Pokémon GO became a worldwide mobile phenomenon, while Hollow Knight and Cuphead showed what small teams could achieve. Among Us later became a global sensation, while Subnautica, Cities, Skylines, Ori, and the Blind Forest, and Genshin Impact demonstrated that Unity could handle everything from survival games to huge open worlds. From a small tool created for a forgotten game, Unity evolved into one of the most influential game engines in the world.